Welcome students. In this video, I will show you that how you can practically implement the data consolidation. So first of all, you should know that what type of data we need to sum up when we are using the feature data consolidated. Just in order to show the practical implementation, I had already prepared a sheet. In this sheet, you can see that there is a rows and columns. In the columns, there is entries starting from zone 1 to zone 7, and in the similarly in the column there are 4 months are given, that is Jan, Feb, March and April. And as you can see, the name of the sheet is 2011. Similarly, for the next year or for the 2012, I had again prepared a sheet. The row and column is same, the total amount of data is same. And similarly for 2030, I had again prepared a sheet in which the row and column and the data is same, or the same amount of data is here. So it is clear to apply the data consolidated, the amount of the data, the total number of row and column should be same. If there is any blank row between the data, or the row and column or the amount of data will differ from one sheet to another sheet, the data consolidated will not work. So how you can apply the data consolidated? So you should know that what type of data you will be getting when you are applying the term data consolidated. So for example, you can see that if there is zone 1 and in the month of Jan, the value is given here 20. And in 2012, you can see the value is 30, and 2030, the value is 40. And you are asked to sum up all these three values, year wise values you have to calculate, and then you have to prepare a different sheet with this data. So when you have to do such kind of calculation, or you have to calculate the total sum, you need to apply data consolidation. So I will take a new sheet, that is another sheet, blank sheet, and in this sheet I will show that how you can apply the data consolidation. So in the first cell, that is A1 cell, first of all you have to press Alt, and with Alt you will press equal to sign. Alt, then equal to sign, and then go to the data column, and in the data tab you will see there is a term consolidated. In this here you will be see a option that is consolidate. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will get a consolidate dialog box. In this dialog box, first function that you will see, there is sum, count, average, max, that what type of function you want to apply on the data given in the previous sheet. So I am opting the function that is sum. Now the reference, in the reference sheet, you will have to give the reference of the complete data, that what you want to sum up in this sheet. So just in order to add the reference, click on this button, that the tab, and you will get a new sheet. Then go to the sheet, that is 2011, and select the whole data starting from the first column to the last column. And again click on this button, and you can see the reference of the sheet is given here. Now click on the add button. This is the data of the sheet 1, that is sheet 2011. Now in the next sheet, that is 2012, again go to the reference and again select the whole data. Then again click on this button, again add. Then move to the third sheet, that is 2013, and again select the whole data. Click on this button and you will see again select the whole data, and then click here. Now you have all the sheets here. Now, this is the top row and the left column means here we are talking about the column Jan, Feb, March and April and from the zone 1 to zone 7. If you want to include the top row and the left column in your resultant sheet, then you have to click on it. If you don't want it in the resultant sheet, there is no need to check the check boxes. So I want it in the next sheet, so I will check it. And then click on OK button. And you will see after clicking on the OK button in the sheet 6, you will have the resultant value of all the data from the class year 11, year 12 and year 13. So this is the way of consolidated, that what I want to show you here. Now one more thing I want to add. When I will change any data in 2011, for example, I am changing here 20 to 40, then the sum will be increased by the value 20, but you can see here the sum is still 90. Means the resultant worksheet is only show the previous data. If you are doing any change in the previous sheets, the change will not reflect in the resultant sheet. So it can be also done with the help of one more option, that what I am going to show you next. Here I am taking a new sheet. In the new sheet, you will have to apply all the steps that you have already done when your data consolidated operation was doing. Then again, the dialog box is open. The sum button is there. Click on the reference. Then go to the sheet 1, add. Then again, add. Then sheet next. Select the data. Again, add. Now the next sheet. Then again add, but there is no need to press on add because we had only 3 sheets. And as previously done, top row and left column is required. And you will see that there is one more option is given, that create links to source data. If you check this checkbox, then if any changes will be done in the previous sheets, you can see the changes will reflect in the final sheet or in the master sheet. So click on it and then click on the OK button. Now you can see the here changes. Now for example, have a look on this block. There is a value is 110. Now I am changing the value from here. From this 30, I am writing here 20. The value should be decremented by 10. So now see the sheet number 7 and you can see there is the value is 100. So when you had created a link between the source file and the consolidated file, you will be able to see the changes, or it will also accommodate the changes. Now one more point that what I want to elaborate here, that you can see the plus symbols here in the front of all the entries. For example, starting from zone 1 to zone 7, there are plus symbols you can see. Now click on the plus symbol. You can see that there is all the data from the sheets are given here. Means you can see the value of the zone 1 is equal to consolidate 40, 20 and 40. Means the previous data is also be shown here in order to find the final result. So in the similarly, if you checking the next plus button, the zone 2 data will be shown, the zone 3 data will be shown, and the similarly the data consolidated will work. So this is all about data consolidation. Thank you.